Sure.
It all started with strange noises and unexplained shadows. I would hear scratching sounds coming from the walls and see dark figures darting across the room. I dismissed the incidents as my imagination, but things quickly escalated. I began to feel a presence around me at all times. I would wake up in the middle of the night with scratches on my body and bruises that I couldn't explain. I started to feel like something was inside me, taking control of my body and mind. After seeking help from a spiritual advisor, I discovered that I had been the target of a demonic entity. The advisor performed a ritual to try and rid me of the evil spirit, but the entity fought back. I was thrown across the room and levitated off the ground. My family and friends banded together to perform an exorcism on me.